Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. The Chinese company set trends in mobile market. Yes, the first smartphone with notch above the display was iPhone X. But do you remember the first mobile device with pop-up selfie camera or even slider design? All these innovations are introduced by Chinese manufacturers. Not only leading companies such as Oppo, Xiaomi, Huawei develop new technologies, but even smaller brands, for example Elephone. Its new smartphone, Elephone PX, has pop-up selfie camera, bezel-less 6.34-inch display, 4 cameras, and latest Android 9 operating system. You will be surprised, this is not even flagship, but mid-range smartphone. The price is only $250. Today we have first review of specifications and features of Elephone PX. When it goes on sale, we will try to get it for full review. The main highlight of Elephone PX is pop-up camera. It makes the display almost bezel-less. The screen-to-body ratio is about 90%. There isn't any kind of notch, while the bezels around the screen are very thin. The manufacturer promises up to 300,000 uses or 5 years of daily use of mechanical motor for pop-up camera. On the back you can see some interesting design features. As usual, there is dual rear camera, flashlight and fingerprint reader. But also the smartphone has company logo on top, which looks like a family coat of arms. By the way, did you notice one more thing under the rear camera? This is heart rate sensor. Yes, along to the fingerprint scanner, Elephone PX has built-in heart rate sensor. It is not a new technology, but it is surprising to see in a budget smartphone. The rear panel is made of plastic, and you can choose from 2 color options, black and green. The smartphone has USB Type-C port, but there is no 3.5mm audio jack. If we talk about display, it has a diagonal of 6.34 inches. As I already said, Elephone PX is a mid-range phone, so it has only HD Plus resolution, 720 by 1480 pixels. The aspect ratio is 19:9, while the screen-to-body ratio is about 90%. The display looks amazing on official videos, but we should wait for real hands-on reviews, because HD Plus resolution doesn't inspire confidence. Elephone focused on design and pop-up camera, while the hardware is standard for mid-range smartphone of 2018. It is powered by Helio P22 chipset. The same processor is used in budget Xiaomi Redmi 6. We already made performance test of Redmi 6, and you can see this video by the link in description. The chipset scores about 75,000 points in Antutu, which is pretty low result for 2018. From other side, it is able to run heavy Android games, but on low graphics. Elephone PX also has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, with microSD support up to 400 GB. The manufacturer says that Elephone PX is totally unlocked. It supports over 1000 carriers around the world, including USA, Europe, Asia, Africa, etc. The software is another highlight of a new smartphone, because there is Android 9.0 Pie. It has customized user interface. Right now we cannot talk about new software functions, but there is special app for real-time heart rate monitoring. Elephone PX has 4 cameras in total, dual rear and dual front. The rear camera consists of 16 and 2 megapixel sensors. The front pop-up camera has the same 16 and 2 megapixel sensors. The smartphone hasn't go on sale yet, so we cannot talk about image quality. Waiting for official release. Elephone PX has 3500 mAh battery. It is not very big, but the smartphone has only HD Plus resolution and budget energy-efficient processor Helio P22. It should have good battery life. The manufacturer promises quick charge 5 watt and 2 ampere. Just yesterday, Elephone launched Projector on Indiegogo, and you can buy new smartphone for only $250. Very interesting price for this beautiful smartphone. However, the estimated delivery will be only in March 2019. So you need to wait about 3 months. What do you think about Elephone PX? Will you wait for this smartphone? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.